What's up guys, my name is Hai from Groove Dance Classes, and in this video I'm going to show you the Work It Out dance for the Erie event 2020. Let's go. Okay, let's start with the dance. We have 2 parts and 1 easy intro. So we start with the intro. We just go down, start from the ground. We grab our cap for the third 8 count, just put it on, and we go up the second 8 count. Okay, and that's it. So let's start with the first part. We go right, we go left back, right cross. Okay, 7, 8. Just go right, left back, cross. My arm is going from here. Okay, it's left to right. We go right, left, right. We switch left, right, left. And my arm is going with the left arm. Okay, we go right, left, right, left, right, left, and right, left, right, left, right, left. From here, we go to the front and left to the front. Okay? It's right. When we go left to the front, my arm's just going up. I'm going left back, and my right arm is going to the front, and right foot is going back. Okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 again, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we're just going down. Okay, I open my legs and I'm going up. Okay, my arms going up and down. We go to the left, down, up, again, and again, and now we go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, from the top, 7, 8. It's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, again, faster. 7, 8. It's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the first part. Okay, let's start with the second part. I'm going to the right and my left shoulder is rolling. Okay, it's like this. Okay, and then I'm rolling with my right shoulder and I'm going to the left. Okay, so we have 1, 2, and we go back, 3, and we hit here. You can snap here, and I'm jumping on the right and I'm kicking with the left. Okay, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, jump. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, from here, 8. I'm going to the right, going down with my knees. So I turn my knee here, to the right, and left, and right. And my arm just rolling here and here. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, I'm kicking with my right foot, kick, kick, and I'm jumping. I kick with my left foot, kick, kick, and jump. And my arms is going from up and down. Okay? It's kick, kick, hop, and kick, kick, hop, and kick, kick, hop, kick, kick, hop. From here, I'm going to the right, and I'm crossing, going to the left, and cross, right, and cross. And my arms going from here. Just open here, and swing, and hold, or grab, going to the left, my arm swinging, and grab. Okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Again, from the top, 7, 8, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, again, faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we're done with the second part. And now we have a small freestyle part and we're going to do a soul train. Okay, a soul train means we have 2 separate lines with all the dancers so they can stay like this and on the other side. And in the middle of these lines you can do your freestyle and walk to the front. Like, I don't know, you can go like this. Okay? And just stay here and the next dancers are coming from here and dance their freestyle part. And that's it. And you can see it in our dance video how we do this. So we finished with the whole choreography. We have 1 intro, 2 parts, and we have the soul train. And I'm gonna show you with music the whole dance.
We're gonna work it out, European industry, unity. We're gonna work it out, European industry, unity. We're gonna work it out, European industry, unity. We're gonna work it out, European industry, unity.
It's a celebration today, so greet everyone that comes your way. We all united, so do the right thing. Grateful and humble, man, yeah, that's the way. All colors just fade to gray. We're bros and sisters, cause we all the same. There's so many roads that you could take, and a lot of decisions you need to make. But it's all in your hands, choose for yourself. You can come from nothing to wealth. European Union's there to help. In reality, man, you can do it yourself.
We're gonna work it out, European industry, unity. We're gonna work it out, European industry, unity. We're gonna work it out, European industry, unity. We're gonna work it out, European industry, unity.
It's the 1st of May, we gon' dance today. We gon' party up, we gon' celebrate industrial culture, this the day Europeans appreciate. So let's dance side by side, no need to hide. Put your hands up high, just go with the flow. Do what you do, big ups, yeah, to the EU. Used to be hard work around here, now laughing and music is all you hear. Yeah, we gon' work it out, you already know. And if you didn't know, now you know.
We're gonna work it out, European industry, unity. We're gonna work it out, European industry, unity. We're gonna work it out, European industry, unity. We're gonna work it out, European industry, unity.
Get it! Work it out now. Work it out now.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed learning this choreography and I'm very excited to see a lot of dance videos from you guys. So see you next time.